What's up guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. Today's a little bit different. I've got just a quick shop update. It's gonna be a short video. My family came over earlier today and actually helped me install this wall to close in my garage back here. I don't know if you can see it. So it's really just a construction zone right now. I installed this door into my little storage area. I've got some new doorknobs and things. Tomorrow I'm going to be putting up some cedar shingle siding. Say that 3 times fast. Cedar shingle siding. Cedar siding. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, so I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. And so that's why I don't have a video that I released this morning. This is the best you're going to get today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all the other stuff that's going to be coming out of this shop. Thanks. Bye.